Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and from my last two classes, we know what is offer and what are the essentials of valid offer. This is the third video on the series of offer, and here in this video, I am going to discuss 9 different types of offer with illustrations and case laws. Why to waste time? Let's get into the first slide. As I said, I am going to discuss 9 types of offers. They are expressed offers, implied offers, general offers, specific offers, positive offers, negative offers, continuous offers, counter offers, and cross offers. Now, what is an expressed offer? Expressed offer is an offer where oral or written communication is available. For example, if Mr. A says he want to sell his XYZ car for rupees 5 lakh rupees, then that is an expressed offer. He is expressing it in a way of oral offer. The second type of offer is implied offer. The best example for implied offer is a bus. A bus is coming and stopping in the bus stand. That itself is an offer for you to travel in the bus. Now you can take such offer and travel in the bus, which is implied, where there will not be any oral or written communication to you to travel, but by giving the stop in the bus stand itself, they are making an offer to you, which is known as implied offer. Same with the case of a weighing machine which is kept in the public place. You can use such facility because that is an implied offer. By keeping that in public place, they are making you an offer to use it if you want to. So those are the examples for implied offer. And the biggest difference between expressed and implied offer is, in expressed offer there will be oral or written communication, where in implied offer there may not be any oral or written communication, but by doing something they are offering. For example, in the case of bus, by giving the stop in the bus stand, they are giving an offer to you to board and travel in the bus. So that is all about implied offers. The third type of offer is general offer, which are made offers at large or offers made to general public. For this, you need to refer the case law of Carlyle versus Carbolic Smokeball Company, which is a very interesting case. Fact of the case is, there was a medicine manufacturing company by name Carbolic Smokeball Company who were manufacturing a medicine by name Carbolic Smokeball for the prevention of influenza. Now they are putting an advertisement in the newspaper saying that whoever uses this carbolic smoke ball, they will not be getting infected by influenza if they are using according to the prescription given in the advertisement. Now they also say that they will give £1,000 if somebody is getting infected even after following the prescription and using this medicine. One Miss Carlyle attempts the same. She uses carbolic smoke ball as per the prescription given by this particular company, and even after doing so, she is getting infected by influenza. Now she goes to the court asking for the compensation as mentioned in the advertisement. Now Carbolic Smoke Ball Company says, we have not made any individual offer to Miss Carlyle, and this is an offer made in general or offers at large, which is a general offer or a kind of advertisement. But the court says you have to pay £1,000 to Carlyle because you have made a serious offer, and you have also told that you have kept £1,000 in the bank account to pay as a compensation whoever is not getting benefit or getting infected even after using this carbolic smoke ball medicine as per the prescription, and that is how general offer needs to be seen. One very important thing that you need to remember is, all newspaper advertisements are not general offers. They are mere advertisements, but however, if there is any compensation or prize money mentioned in those general offers, then they can be considered as offer. Now for example, if Mr. X has lost his dog and he says anybody finding it will be given rupees 5,000 rupees of prize money, in that case, that is an offer which someone can take, and whoever is getting the dog first and handing over to Mr. X will be getting that prize money. That is how general offers need to be seen, which is coming via newspapers. Now the next type is specific offers. Specific offers are those offers made by a particular individual to specific individual. Now if Mr. X says he want to sell his car to Mr. A, then that offer is made to only Mr. A. That is specific to A only. That is what specific offer. Now, positive offer is willingness to do something, or for example, if somebody is saying, I will allow you to use my pathway by coming to an agreement, but you have to do so and so for that. Now, that is a positive offer. That means he is allowing his pathway to used by someone. That is positive. Whereas negative offers are quite opposite to the same, where somebody is abstaining from doing something, that is called negative offer. For example, if somebody says, if you are not constructing a compound wall, I will give so and so. Now that not allowing to construct that compound wall is a kind of negative offer. Positive and negative offers can be seen as to do and to abstain from doing something. To do is positive, whereas from abstaining from doing something is kind of negative offers. Now the next type is continuous offer, which is also known as standing or open offer. Now this is the most important type of offer used in wholesale business or retail business, where offer will made once and the same offer will be continued for a period of time. They will not change any type of prices there. That is known as continuous or open or standing offer. And the best example for that is tender also. Now the next type is counter offer. What happens here? Mr. A offers to sell his car to Mr. B for 5 lakh rupees, whereas B says, I will buy the car if you are selling it for 4 lakh rupees. Now B is making counter offer, and from there it will be considered as offer. From there you have to continue. Now A will get an opportunity to acceptance or reject it. In the first case, what happened? A made an offer and B had an opportunity to accept or reject. Instead of accepting or rejecting, what does B do? He says, I will buy your car provided you are selling it for 4 lakh rupees. So what is he making? He is making a counter offer to Mr. A. Now offer stands with B and A has to decide whether to accept the offer or reject the offer. That is how we have to see the counter offer. And the last type of offer is cross offer. I don't think how often this happens, but this happened in the case of Tin versus Hoffman. The example for cross offer can be, like for example, you are sending an email to your friend saying that I want to buy your car for 5 lakh rupees, and at the same time your friend is writing an email to you saying that I want to sell my car for 5 lakh rupees to you. Now both of you are telling about the same car and both of you are mentioning the same amount. If both such offers are coming in the same time, then that is known as cross offer. The same has happened in the case law of Tin versus Hoffman. What happened here? One Mr. X wanted to sell some 10 kg of iron for 50 rupees each. So what he does, he puts a postcard saying that he wants to sell 10 kg of iron for 50 rupees each. On the same day, Mr. Y, who wanted to buy iron from Mr. X, puts a letter saying that he wanted to buy 10 kg of iron for 50 rupees per kg each. Now that's called cross offer. Both of them are mentioning 10 kg of quantity and then both of them are mentioning 50 rupees per kg. Now the quantity as well as the price is matching and both of them have posted their letter on the same day. Somewhere they are crossing their letters, so that's how it is called cross offer. I don't know how often this happens, but this is one of the important type of offer. That's all about types of offer. To strengthen your answer, refer both the case laws, that is Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoothball Company and Tin versus Hoffman cases. Now that brings an end to the types of offer, which will take us to the last concept in the offer, that is communication and revocation of offer. I will see you on that last video on this particular aspect. Till then, if you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much for the same. If you haven't, please subscribe my channel now and please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching my video, and thanks again for watching me.